You mad? You out of your mind? How dare you?
Do you know who I am? Are you mad?
Tell them to go.
For how long do I have to wait before you decide when I will get married? I am not getting any younger.
What more want from you?
Oti! Open the gate! Get the car key! Hey!
The car key.
You must tell us who this boy is, or we will shred him here and now.
Don't you ever talk to me like that again.
And who the hell are you? Who the hell are you?
Hey. Why are you allowing yourself to be distracted at this point in time? Instead of behaving like a prince that you are.
You know, she's gonna be my wife, so I need her to start dressing up as royalty.
This is ridiculous. Wait, you want this thing to be your wife? Obinna here cannot marry another woman. Except my maid, who he raped and got pregnant.
Thunder will fire you. Don't tell me you people believe this nonsense you just said.
You treat your sister like an animal, yet you profess love to me. You will never make a good king.
Man, we're heading to the car. If you touch my car, I kill you.
I do not know.
One more thing. I will blow your brains off.
Don't be too fast, don't know.
I am now a slave in my own house.
You looked me in the face and you think I'm an idiot. You must swear. It's final.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.